Hello, this is Kelvin Chikumbirike from Zimbabwe, and with me here is a marimba instrument and a mbira instrument. So I'm going to be playing just a snippet of what I can do. So the song that I'm going to perform for you is called Nema Msasa. It's a Zimbabwean traditional song. It is more than 1,000 years old. It has been played by our ancestors, our great ancestors. Okay, thank you.